Hello and welcome back to Pably. In this video, we are going to understand how to add Facebook lead ads data to Airtable for easy management. So I'm running Facebook lead ads for my business, and here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically that lead should be added as a new record in my Airtable. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Facebook lead ad with my Airtable using an automation software named as Pably Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically capture leads from Facebook lead ads and log them into Airtable for easy tracking and management. Alright, so here on the screen you can see my Facebook page that I've created with the name Natural Glow Skincare, and here my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead on this particular Facebook lead ad, then automatically that lead detail should be added over here in my Airtable as a new record. So now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Facebook lead ad with my Airtable account using an automation software. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation by simply generating a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me all take you to my lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here you can see some details, and here you can see the page and the form that I have already selected, and this is my lead ad form. So here I have pre-filled some details such as skin type, first name, last name, email and the phone number. So now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead. So let's go and check our Airtable account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully added a new lead over here where we have received the name, email, phone number and the skin type. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Facebook lead ad with your Airtable using an automation software named as Pably Connect. So to access the Pably Connect, you need to search for pably.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pably Connect. Alright, so this is the homepage of Pably Connect, and here before moving forward, let me all tell you about the Pably community. So this is the Pably community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. Here you can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pably community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the community as soon as possible. Alright, so let's move back to our Pably Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on the sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pably apps window where you can see all the applications of Pably such as Pably Connect, Pably subscription billing, Pably email marketing, Pably form builder, Pably email verification, Pably hook and Pably chat flow. So you can see one software with so many useful applications. So in this video we are going to integrate our different applications and we need to start automating our work. So for that we are going to use Pably Connect by clicking on this access now. Now this is the dashboard of Pably Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner, and then here's asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options, one is new beta and the another one is classic. So basically new beta is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video we are going to use this newly launched feature that is new beta by clicking on the select button, and here you can see a dialog box has appeared in front of us. So here we need to give a name to our workflow. So I'm going to give the name as add Facebook lead ads data to Airtable for easy management, and then here's asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case I'm going to select my folder as Facebook lead ads. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this Create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. So we are going to set up the trigger first by clicking on this Add Trigger button, and here I've already told you that I want to add my Facebook lead ads leads to my Airtable. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads, and I'm going to select the app event as new lead instant. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select the desired account, and then we are going to click on this continue. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the page name and the lead gen form. So now here I've already shown you that I have my Facebook page with the name Natural Glow Skin Care. So I'm going to select that particular page over here. And after selecting the page name, it is asking for the lead gen form. So now here to get the lead gen form, let me all take you to my Meta Business Suite. So here under lead ads form, you can see all the forms that I've created over here. You can create your own lead ad form as per your need. And here you can see the form name, that is Natural Glow Lead Form. So I'm going to select that particular form over here. This is the form. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now after selecting the page and the lead gen form, we are going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me all take you back to my lead ads testing tool by Meta. Alright, so this is a lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one, because it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead. And it says your lead has been deleted. So I'm going to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. Alright, so once again I'm going to select my page as Natural Glow Skincare and my lead form. And then we are going to click on this preview form. So this is my lead form, and here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test lead submission. So here for the skin type, I'm going to select combination. Here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. And here for the phone number, I'm going to enter a random phone number, and then we are going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead over here. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the skin type, first name, last name, email address, phone number, and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically we are going to add this lead in our Airtable as a new record. So for that, I'm going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Airtable. And then we are going to select the app event as create a record. Then we are going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, we are going to select add a new connection. If your Airtable account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Airtable. And here you can see Pabbly Connect is requesting for the Airtable access. So I'm going to add all resources first, and then I'm going to click on this grant access to give full access to all workspaces for Pabbly Connect. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me for the base name and the table name. Alright, so here you can see my base with the name Facebook Leads and my table as table 1. So I'm going to select that particular base name over here. So I'm going to search for the base name. So this is my base name, and here for the table I'm going to select table 1, and then here it is asking me for the name, email, phone number and the skin type. type. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that when I'm going to receive new response, that means a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the name, I'm going to map the first name first, then we are going to enter a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. Alright, let's move forward. Here for the email, I'm going to map the email address. Here for the phone number, I'm going to map the phone number. Here for the skin type, I'm going to map the skin type. And then it is asking enable typecasting. So for that, I'm going to select false, and then we are going to click on the save and send test request given over. And here we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new Facebook lead ad in our Airtable as a new record. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received a new response over here where we have received the name, email, phone number, and the skin type. So with this, we have successfully set our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as Facebook lead ad and our action as Airtable. So that whenever we're going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically that lead is going to be created as a new record in our Airtable. Alright, so these were the steps to how to add Facebook lead ads data to Airtable for easy management. I hope these steps were clear to you. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.